Well, back on the Packard. We're gonna start this up, see if it's gonna run. I got the exhaust on it all the way back to here. Oh, by the way, on this brake cable, the frayed end, this end here won't go through this sheath. It'll be, out in the open, and it was frayed, so I took some JB Weld, cleaned it up, put some JB Weld on it, cleaned it up, and painted it. But that goes up through the cowl, and we don't have the cowl back from the painter, so that'll be coming up. But I got gas coming to the carburetor. Let me stick this tube in the can here. I took the plugs out and turned it over till I got some fuel into the carb. Well, it is, so. And I must be confident. I got the water pump on it and the exhaust system on it. So I got the battery charged up, and hang on a minute. Okay, I just hooked up the battery up, that's all. And stick a little gasoline in it here. Boy, I hope we don't have any trouble. I'm a little apprehensive about all this. Ignition. Hang on a minute. I think I might need to time it somehow. Hold on. Okay. I loosened up the vacuum advance so I can time this. Or, adjust the timing. So let's see what happens now. Sounded a little better. Boy, that's good to see. Woo-hoo. I'll be damned. How about that? Boy, I was glad to see that oil pressure. Woohoo! I don't have anything, I don't want to get it too hot. We'll call that done. Well, she sure got hot quick, I'll tell you that. Well, now it's radiator time. Thanks for watching.